welcome back to my channel Saketh 360. Today I will tell you how to create barcode in Microsoft Excel 2007. Let's go without wasting our time. Okay friends, let's start. I will give a link in description box so you can see, and we should click on that Saketh 39. Now their install symbol will be there. We should click on. I already downloaded it. Again I am replacing that. Now we should close the files. Now we will go to Microsoft Excel 2007. Now we should select. I am going to tell you two topics about barcodes. Two things. First one, and we should select barcode symbol there. And there will be appear some big boxes. In that we can type anything. We can move that scroll sliding. The boxes will be appear to all boxes. We should type we should go to text and select barcode. And type there. See how it came. You should install that barcode I given in description box. Please check it. Now we can make it bold and we can change color. See how it became. Now I am telling you second topic in barcodes. We can change the number, it will also change. We should click is equals to symbol and we should click there, enter click, and it appears. We should slide the symbol to down and it will come beside only that thing. And we should select the text, barcode text. Now we should select is equals to symbol and enter click. We should slide the arrow down. Beside thing will come appear in next slide. Now we should go to text font and see barcode text. Scroll down. Watch how it came in Excel, super easy. If we change the code, the barcode also will change. See how it changed. Like this we can make easy at desktop. Like and share this video. Bye bye.